I am impressed with the size. Oh wow, so you have your own personalized washer dryer here. You got a little bit of pantry over here. Not bad, very accessible. Has its own room. Not bad. Hey guys, it's Raymond. So we're gonna go ahead and see this condo in Toronto. It's located in North York. It is the cheapest one right now listed in the MLS for under 250K. So it is only 1 bedroom, 1 bath. The location isn't the best, but it is kind of minutes away from York University. There's a grocery store right across. The restaurants are there, so we can go ahead and check it out. Can't go wrong with a drugstore right across the street. Going deeper into this plaza, you know for sure you're going to need some professional care. So Shoreham Professional Center has you covered. And if you get laid off, you know Humber HR has you covered. Not just 1 job, but 3 jobs. You know, if you're feeling down, you know Moksha Cannabis can get you up there. You know why you should sanitize every load? Because you live clean and love life. Can't go wrong with a dollar store that sells Bitcoin. Now, if you like buns, Huang Viet can get you stuffed. If you can buy bacon in a box set and BOGO pizza, your weekend is always hot and ready. If you're low on your calories, you could always hit up Delight Foods. You know how I like my wings, fresh and crispy. And of course, the main event is your Asian fresh food market. So the great thing about this condo is that if you have a bike, all you have to do is look for a tree and lock up your bike there. Like, look at this one over there. This area is prone for high theft, so if you don't want your car jacked, jack it up. They're doing major renovation in this. And here on the side of the building, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the shared space. I don't really recommend hanging out here, but it's there. So this floor has 2 floors. There's 8th floor and 7th floor. So this is the 7th, 8th floor. You know what? It's not bad, you know? You can't miss your floor. They are improving the elevators. This is still good laminate. It's not raising at all. A little bit of creaking, but this building is old. And I like how it steps up. You have a little bit more privacy over here. This is actually very, very interesting. Like, have your couch over here, chill, watch some TV, get a walkout balcony. I mean, what else can you ask for? Wow, each facing balcony. Nice, good sunlight. We are not going out there right now because I don't want shit on my foot. So we're gonna skip that tour. But as you can see, very, very good view. So the living space is actually 20 by 15, which is massive. That's massive for a 1-bedroom condo. You can't go wrong with these type of mirrors. You know what I mean? If you have that curvy mirror, like, what could go wrong? You can put your couch over there, kind of block the radiator over here. Just have to keep an eye on it. I don't think it comes with a dresser, but we can negotiate with that. Popcorn ceiling. All right, now let's go to the kitchen. kitchen for a condo with this price point. Okay, these things don't open completely. It's all right, adjustable. Plenty of space here. You got a little bit smaller fridge here, but you know, for a one bedroom, what else do you need? Okay, yeah, apples and kiwi and yogurt. Interesting. All right, these are brand new. Oh, yeah, dishwasher in this place. Amazing, amazing. And things are falling here, which is all right. Okay, you have LEDs there. Kind of don't want to touch it. And here we have the laundry. Oh wow! So you have your own personalized washer dryer here. Your pantry here. Very accessible. Has its own room. Not bad. So let's check out the closet space. That's pretty big. Like, that's pretty big, and there's two of them. Nice. Definitely a good option. Another closet here. You also put course, family together. Okay, family. Fast and the Furious. Oh my goodness. This is it. I am surprised this is still in the market. Like, you have a rainfall shower and like a 3-person tub. Amazing, amazing. That's a lot of room. That's a lot of room, and it's, you know what? Like, you can actually like do a thing here. Have some space. That's a lot of room, yeah. So, what I don't like here is the caulking is too high, meaning that they are, well, it's not installed properly because those tiles are way higher than it should be towards the top. And of course, water is gonna go in there and they're trying to cover it. Wow. I love how there's the same flooring throughout the whole space. The size of these bedrooms, I believe this is 12 by 11 for what they have there. I should have brought my laser measurement, but I just don't know where you put your bed here. I think you can put a queen size over here for sure with a dresser. I mean, you don't really need a chair over here. And I don't believe this closet is fixed into the wall, so you could actually move it there and have a bigger space here for your bed, the way how you kind of want to orient it. All right, some IKEA closet. I'm guessing it's Tex. Good enough for one person or a couple. So you can put a queen size bed over here. You can even move that around. It's actually unsafe that it's not secured, but it's all right. All right, so for what it brings, this is listed for $250,000 in this market right now in January 2023. Mind you, it is the cheapest entry point in Toronto. It does have a maintenance fee of over $700, but the tax in this property or in this building is pretty much $150 for the whole year. They're getting a new elevator that started the assessment yesterday. So the value is definitely there if you're talking about $250,000 and what you're getting right now in the space
the size, and yeah, and it's in Toronto. I don't think this property is gonna go up in value in the next 5 to 7 years. At the peak, this area was selling around 340, 350. So there is still room for growth for what it is right now, especially the quality here is actually not bad.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think this $250,000 condo is worth it in Toronto. Otherwise, please like and subscribe.